Hi Sam. It's great to see you again. Today we're going to learn the word
Mann.
Hi Alex.
Mann.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Mann.
means man in English. It refers to an adult male human. It's the most common meaning, but it can also be used in expressions like
Mannschaft.
which means team.
So, is there a chance I could confuse it with something else?
Yes, there can be some confusion with the word,
Männer.
which is the plural form of.
Mann.
Just remember,
Mann.
is singular and
Männer.
is plural, referring to several men.
What about grammar? How do I use
Mann.
in sentences?
Good question.
Mann.
Is a masculine noun, so it uses the article.
Der.
The plural is.
Die Männer.
In the present tense, you might say,
Der Mann arbeitet.
which means the man works. In the past tense, you could say,
Der Mann arbeitete.
for the man worked. And in the perfect tense, you would say,
Der Mann hat gearbeitet.
What about the imperative form?
we typically don't use an imperative with,
Mann.
since it's a noun, but if you want to address a man directly, you might say,
Mann, komm hier.
which means man, come here.
That's really helpful. Where does the word
Mann.
come from?
The word
Mann.
has its roots in Old High German, where it was,
Mann.
meaning human being. Over time, it evolved into the modern German we use today. It's fascinating how language changes, isn't it?
Very fascinating. I love learning about the history of words.
Now, let's break down the word
Mann.
a bit. It doesn't have a prefix or a suffix, it's a simple word. But if you think of it as a Lego block, you can picture a strong block representing masculinity.
That's a creative way to think about it.
Speaking of similar words, we can look at some words that share the same root or structure. For example, there's,
Mannschaft.
which combines,
Mann.
and,
Schafft.
meaning team. Then we have,
Männer.
for the plural form.
Okay, what other examples do you have?
Sure. There's,
Männerfreund.
meaning male friend, and,
Manneskraft.
meaning male strength. Then, if we look at some other masculine nouns, think of,
Lehrer.
meaning teacher, or,
Vater.
meaning father.
Are there any with the same suffix?
Absolutely. The suffix
schafft,
leads to words like
Freundschaft,
for friendship and
Wirtschaft,
for economy. Each of these words has its unique meaning but shares a common background.
This is great. How can I use
Mann,
in real life situations?
Let's think of some scenarios. If you're at a party, you might say,
Wo ist der Mann, der das Essen bringt?
which means where is the man who is bringing the food? Can you repeat that?
wo ist der Mann, der das Essen bringt?
Perfect. Another situation could be at work. You might say,
Der Mann hat das Projekt geleitet.
meaning the man led the project.
Got it.
Lastly, if you're at a sports event, you could say,
Der Mann spielt gut.
meaning the man plays well.
Der Mann spielt gut.
I like that one.
Now, let's talk about the gender of.
Mann,
Since it's a masculine noun, you can remember it by its ending, which is often associated with masculine words. Think of a strong male figure to help visualize it.
That's a good tip.
In terms of usage,
Mann,
can be used formally or informally, depending on the context. Some typical collocations are
der Mann des Hauses,
meaning the man of the house, and
ein guter Mann,
which means a good man. Just be careful not to confuse it with
Mädel,
which means girl.
I'll make sure to remember that.
Let's go over a few example sentences to solidify your understanding. For instance,
der Mann liest ein Buch.
means the man is reading a book. Or,
Gestern hat der Mann das Auto repariert.
which means yesterday the man repaired the car.
That makes sense.
Let's have a quick recall check. What is the plural form of?
Mann,
Is it
Männer,
Correct. What does
Mannschaft,
mean?
that's team, right?
Yes. And what's the article for?
Mann,
It's
der,
Great. How do you say the man works in German?
der Mann arbeitet.
Exactly. And what's the past tense form of?
arbeiten,
is it
Arbeitete.
Right on. You're doing really well. To summarize, today we learned about
Mann,
its meanings, grammatical forms, and some interesting history. Keep practicing those sentences, and don't hesitate to use the word in your daily conversations.
Thank you, Alex. I really enjoyed today's lesson.
I'm glad to hear that, Sam. See you next time.